A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You didn't know, say, God well beks. Animal come like one thief. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And please click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 16, from verse 1 to verse 21. Then me hear one loud voice from God's house, said to the seven angel them, Uno go pitch out where in uno bowl pan the earth for sure say God well beks. The first angel pitch out where in a theme bowl pan the land. Then some ugly swore we cause enough pain broke out pan the people them we have the wild animal mark and we worship the sitting where they make fi look like him. The second angel pitch out where in a theme bowl pan the sea and it turn in a sitting where look like dead man blood and everything we live in the sea dead off. The third angel pitch out where in a theme bowl pan the river and spring water them and them turn in a blood. Then me hear the angel we in charge of the water say to God say, you are the holy God, the one we live, the one we debut from way back when, and we ever live. You fear and you judge the people them on the earth, how them forget judge. Cause them kill your people and you profit them and make feed them blood run. So you give them blood for drink and that them deserve. Then me hear one voice from the altar say, yes, Lord God, nobody no powerful like you. You judge people how them forget judge and give them what them deserve. Then angel number 4 pitch out we in a theme bowl pan the sun. And God allowed the heat from the sun to scorch up the people them like fire. The sun did so hot, it burn up the people them bad. And even though them are burn up, them still a curse God. God will have power over the sitting them will make people suffer. Them curse him and still wouldn't turn away from them sin and give God praise. Then angel number 5 pitch out we in a theme bowl pan the wild animal throne and cause darkness to come down pan the whole kingdom. The terrible pain where people suffer. Make them chow them tongue. Seek out how them are suffer and the swore where them have. Them curse off God way in a heaven. But them still wouldn't turn away from the terrible sitting where them did a do. Angel number 6 pitch out where in a theme bowl pan the big river Euphrates. And the water dry up and make way so that the kingdom from the east country them can cross with them army. Then me see three wicked spirits will look like bullfrog. One come out of the dragon mouth, one out of the wild animal mouth, and one out of the lion prophet mouth. The spirit them, a demon spirit, will do some powerful sin. Them go out all over the world, go get out the kingdom for war. The war will go happen on the big day when God will more powerful than anybody and go judge people. Look, I'll come like one thief. The one them will go and look out and keep on them clothes so that them now if go about naked and shame say everybody see them naked. And them well blessed. The wicked spirit them gather up the ruler them and them army them at one place where in a Hebrew language them call Armageddon. Angel number 7 pitch out where in a film bowl in the ear. And one loud voice come from God's throne where in a God's house. It say, it done. Then lightning flash and one piece of thunderclap and one terrible earthquake shake. From God put people upon earth. No earthquake so terrible. Never happened yet. It did well terrible. The earthquake split up the powerful city in a 3 parts. And all the city in all the country them in the world mash up. God remember Babylon, the powerful city. Him judge her and force her to drink the wine with it in the cup which shows say God did well mix. When the earthquake did shake, nobody couldn't find none of the island them or the mountain them. Them they gone. Some big old hailstone drop out of the sky upon people. Some of them weigh nearly 100 pounds. And the people them curse God. Sake of the terrible sufferation with them face. Sake of the hailstone them we drop on them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.